Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm going to be your tour guide today. We are currently on MSC's Meraviglia. This has been a 7-day cruise out of Brooklyn, and this is our third and last day at sea. This video was filmed July 2025. This was a 7-night sailing. I made a separate video for each day that we were on the ship. As always, I am up super early in the morning. This is the best way to enjoy the cruise if you don't like a lot of crowds. I have been up for a couple hours. I have already had my coffee. Now I'm going to take you to the buffet to show you what they were serving for breakfast this morning. My husband Kelly and I have decided this is going to be an eating day today, sort of a bucket list day, trying all the things that we said we wanted to try, like the omelets. The fresh omelets at the buffet are fantastic. I ate the entire thing. This was the Mexican offerings, which were pretty good. Couldn't eat the whole thing, but I just had an entire omelet. A lot of things like scrambled eggs and waffles and pancakes are repetitive, but every day you'll find some new treasure like this banana waffle casserole. Gotta try that. If you're interested in a food tour, I created a whole video about everything we ate while we were on the MSC Meraviglia. You can find my other videos and a playlist at the end of this video. We're currently by Virginia, on our way back to Brooklyn. Now we have to start thinking about and preparing how we're gonna leave the ship. This cruise really went by so fast. Sea days are great days to relax. As someone that creates videos and has a lot of equipment, this is what I usually bring when I travel, but you can't bring these on cruises. Plus, the ports on this cruise are European. Since I was on the cruise, I have been gifted with this item. It has plugs for UK, US, Australia, and Europe. So it would have been perfect for this cruise. It's very packable and easy to use. I'm not making commissions on this. The item was just gifted to me, but I'll leave a link below if you're interested in purchasing this for your cruise. It also has ports in it so you can charge your devices. Like with anything, if you're not sure, double check with your cruise line, but it says it's safe to bring on cruises. It was so much easier in the 80s and 90s before all this technology stuff. Now it's time to go to lunch. One thing we have not tried yet is the fresh mozzarella. They have cheeses. This was great. I was so excited about this. I was like, oh yeah, we definitely have to do this today. Yeah, I overserved myself this day. I also wanted to try the macaroni and cheese and the chicken salad. On the sea days, Meraviglia also has a brunch in the main dining room. But we did that the other 2 sea days, so we really kind of just wanted to see what the buffet was like and pretty much just spend our entire day here just grazing on different things. I wouldn't necessarily call me and Kelly foodies, but we do appreciate good food. I would have to say we thought most of the food on the Meraviglia was very good. There were so many different options to pretty much accommodate anybody and their dining lifestyle. Do you have a trip coming up on the MSC Meraviglia? Let me know in the comments below when you're going. We really enjoyed ourselves. I'm a little bummed though because I hear that Brooklyn is no longer going to be its home port anymore. That's a bummer because we're from Connecticut and this is really convenient for us. I could get flights to Florida very easily, but it's that whole stress of getting there on time. If you're flying to New York to go on this ship, definitely think about coming the day before. It takes so much stress off you, just in case your plane is late. If you plan on coming here and parking, there is plenty of parking when we arrived. We had our daughter drop us off. Another way, if you're coming in from Connecticut or the surrounding areas, you could always take the train and grab a taxi or a rideshare over here. You can see visually what the Brooklyn port looks like in the embarkation video. I will also be showing it more in my next video about disembarkation coming up very soon. I make these videos pretty much for myself. It's my way of journaling. I honestly could talk about vacations, cruises, casinos, resorts all day long, so I decided to make a YouTube channel about it, and I'm meeting so many cool people along the way that I can help through my experiences. Oh gosh, and now it's dessert time, dessert sampling time. Sugar-free strawberry, coconut. I think that's chocolate and peanut butter. Wasn't very well labeled today. It's kind of whatever's left is left at the moment. That one has disappeared. That turned out to be like an espresso kind of dessert. This was like chocolate pudding. This one's very light. This is like the chocolate molten cake and carnival. That's really good. But there was 2 sauces. The other sauce is more like a rum sauce. Kelly's digging that one. Yeah, because we haven't had that at dinner at all. That's one of our favorite carnival desserts. And this was kind of like a, built chocolate cake, chocolate, what do they call it, 3-layer cake.
Yeah.
And that was just a regular vanilla cake with chocolate. Nothing too, dramatic over here. But they were all good. Sadly, it's time to go back to our stateroom and start to pack and figure out what we're going to do with our bags. Your stateroom attendant will leave you some information, but I make these videos for people that are like me that like to know these things ahead of time. You're going to be assigned a group number. If you want to bring your bags off yourself, you are welcome to do it. But we're deciding we're going to leave our bags out the night before. They're going to take them for us. We're just going to have a little bag. If you'd like to have breakfast the day of disembarkation, you're going to have to get up early. It's going to be all over by 8:30 in the morning. This is also some things I found in my room. I'm not sure if it was in the embarkation video or not. So much was happening the first day. I don't know what I filmed or what I didn't film. Should you need it, there is a laundry service on board. Has all the different languages. There was a lot of people on the ship that did not speak English. Very international. It was very cool. Kelly and I both got the internet and it worked very well. We ordered it before we went on the cruise and it was slightly discounted. There are 2 different plans and you pay by device. We both got it for a week for a discounted rate. For those of you that enjoy casinos, make sure you watch my casino tour. That was the best casino experience we ever had. We had so much fun in this casino. These were some of the activities that were going on in the casino. I'm not sure if this was for everybody or if this was for us specifically because we were on this cruise through URCompt. If you're looking at this cruise and you play in casinos and other land-based casinos or other casinos on other ships, check out URCompt and put in your stats. You may get this cruise for free. I gave them my cruise status with Carnival and also my status with Hard Rock and Caesars and MGM, and I was able to get this cruise. It wasn't really free. I had to pay $500, but then they gave me $500 to play with, so pretty much I would have spent that easily anyhow. You're going to get your group stickers from your cabin attendant, and you're going to put them on your card. At the casino on this cruise, if you hit 5,000 points or tier status, I'm not sure what they call it, you receive a voucher for a free cruise, and I'm so close. So we're gonna have to hit the casino. We'll see our luggage when we disembark. We're gonna leave it by our door. See, I'm so close to 5,000. Look at this, I almost got this. I didn't get it. Heartbreak. This happens to me so often, but if you fill the whole board, you get the jackpot. But I did get a voucher for a free cruise. Before the show, there is a disembarkation briefing.
With your own luggage. The ones that are wanting to go a little bit later, you put your luggage out tonight. In fact, do that anyway, because myself and the crew, about 3 o'clock, we like to go through your luggage. You think I'm joking, don't you? This is not my suit, trust me. So you put your luggage out tonight. Now, you only go to the gangway when I call your luggage tag numbers. And the reason is that your luggage won't be waiting for you if you go before. So I only call the luggage tag numbers when the local authorities tell me that luggage tag number is ready.
The show this night was a variety. It had everything from rock and roll to ballroom dancing. As I said in other videos, I wasn't really impressed with the showroom itself, but the sound was really good and the performance was great. They had live bands. It was a really good show. I'm going to share with you small clips of most of the songs. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, check out my playlist at the end of this video of all my video tours of the MSC Meraviglia. At the end of the show, you can meet and take pictures with the cast if you choose to. And that is pretty much what we did that day. We were going to go to the buffet, but we decided to go to the sit-down dinner instead. Had a great day, spent a lot of time in the casino. We had a pack, ate a lot. We're not even that hungry. We got comp wines while we played in the casino, so we brought them to dinner.
We got our wine from the casino.
Still with us, thank you so much. You are a total rock star. As a whole, we had a great time. Meraviglia was very fun. It was very friendly. It wasn't as outrageous as Carnival, but it was, it wasn't stuffy either. The staff was friendly. The food was good. It was solid. And, for what we paid for, it was fantastic. Here's the dinner menu for the last day at sea. I ended up ordering the onion soup that they have every night. My husband got the antipasto, and we also got the Capri salad. You could order as many appetizers as you want. If you order more than one entree, though, there will be an extra charge. But appetizers and desserts are unlimited. I ordered the zoodles, which is pretty much the zucchini and carrots, I believe. And my husband got the chicken parmesan. And we got to enjoy our last piece of cheesecake and tiramisu. That's Kelly's favorite. He's really excited about that. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me and my husband, Kelly. Click on one of my playlists to see more of my cruising videos. MSC Meraviglia, Carnival, and Margaritaville. But whatever you do, make sure you book a cruise and you pack your bags and you go. Cruising is awesome and you deserve to do it. Always remember to be well to yourself and kind to others. Safe travels to you and happy cruising.